Hey guys, how you doing? It's Mark with Passing Gas Garage. Hey, I'm in the process of selling. You might know my Lotus Esprit. It's going to come on BAT. It's a '98 V8 black with tan interior, and doing a lot of some maintenance to it prior to. And my headlights started acting funny, of course, and it is kind of a common problem. They're pop-up headlights in the car, if you don't know, and they share some components with some GM cars of the era, because GM owned Lotus for a while, and so they use some of the parts. And actually, here is, let me see if I can't switch this camera back around and show you what it looks like. So let me see what I can do there to switch it around. It's always been a problem when I start like this, but we will see what I can do. Actually, I'll just redo it, is what I think I'm going to do, and show you the motor, and I've already rebuilt it and talk about that. All right.